Best time to eat fruits for maximum benefits. Did you know the time you eat fruit can affect how your body uses its nutrients? Fruits are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, but when you eat them makes a big difference. In this video, we'll reveal the best times to eat fruits for energy, digestion, weight loss, and overall health. Let's unlock the full power of fruit naturally. Fruits are high in natural sugars, especially fructose, and while that's healthy, your body reacts differently depending on when you eat them. Eating fruit at the right time helps with better digestion, steady blood sugar, and improved nutrient absorption. Eating it at the wrong time, it might cause bloating, spikes in blood sugar, or reduce benefits. Best time number 1. Morning. Morning is one of the best times to eat fruits. Your metabolism is waking up, your stomach is empty, and your body is ready to absorb nutrients. Eating fruits like bananas, berries, apples, or papaya gives you natural energy and fiber to kickstart your day. 3. Best time number 2. Before meals. Eating fruit 15 to 30 minutes before meals can help you feel fuller, so you eat less overall. This is great for weight control. Plus, your digestive enzymes work best on an empty stomach. Avoid eating fruit right after a heavy meal. It can cause bloating or fermentation in the gut. 4. Best time number 3. Pre-workout snack. Fruit is a great pre-workout fuel. It provides quick digesting carbs to give you instant energy without feeling heavy. Go for bananas, apples, or dates 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. 5. Avoid late night fruit. Avoid fruits late at night. Your metabolism slows down during sleep, and high natural sugars may cause digestive issues or spikes in blood sugar. If you're craving something sweet, go for a small piece of fruit at least 2 hours before bed, and choose low-sugar fruits like berries. Some experts recommend separating fruit from heavier meals to avoid gas and indigestion. But if your digestion is strong, a small serving of fruit with a light meal is usually fine. Special note: diabetics and blood sugar. Pair fruit with a source of protein or healthy fat, like a handful of nuts, to reduce sugar spikes. Stick to low glycemic fruits like apples, pears, or berries, and avoid fruit juices. Best fruits for any time. Here are a few fruits that are great any time of day, in moderation. Apples, high in fiber and water. Blueberries, antioxidant-rich. Papaya, great for digestion. Kiwi, vitamin C powerhouse. Bananas, quick energy and potassium. To get the most from your fruit, remember, eat it in the morning. Try it before meals or workouts. Avoid late night snacking. Choose fresh over processed or juiced. Start timing your fruit right, and your body will thank you with better digestion, energy, and long-term health. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share your favorite fruit in the comments.